How to turn on captions on Instagram story. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily enable captions on your Instagram story. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile. So tap on your profile in the bottom right corner here, and then once you're on your profile, tap on these three lines in the top right corner, and then here tap on settings. In settings tap on account, and here tap on captions. You have to turn this on. Now here it will show the auto generated language in which you will see your captions translated. Now to see translated captions in Instagram story, open up the story where you want to see the translated captions. So let me open up the story. Now here in the top left you can see under the profile name see translation. So to see translation of this caption you have to just tap on it, see translation, and here it will get translated automatically, and you will see the original language here and the translation here. And so this is how you can turn on captions on Instagram story. Thanks for watching.